everyone! My name is Steffie from Grade 5 Sapphire. For my performance task in TLE5, I will be repainting a chair.
This activity allows me to demonstrate both creativity and careful workmanship. By giving the chair a fresh coat of paint, I aim to improve its appearance and show the importance of proper preparation and attention to detail in completing a project. First step, I begin by cleaning the surface thoroughly to remove dust and dirt. This step is important because it helps the paint adhere properly and ensures a smooth finish. Next, I prepare the chair for painting by checking for any rough areas and smoothing them out. Once the surface was ready, I applied the first coat of paint evenly across the chair, making sure to cover all sides carefully. After the first coat, I allowed the paint to dry completely before applying the second layer. This second coat strengthens the color and gives the chair a more polished appearance. I paid close attention to the legs and edges to avoid streaks or uneven spots. Finally, I inspected the chair to ensure the paint was neat and consistent. The chair now has a fresh, renewed look, which demonstrates my effort and attention to detail in completing this performance task.
The materials included are paint, paintbrush, and sandpaper.
Here's the breakdown of the materials I used for repainting the chair. I spent 22 pesos on the transportation back and forth to buy the materials. The items included are 1/4 liter of paint costing 80 pesos, a paintbrush for 35 pesos, and sandpaper for free. In total, the expenses amounted to 135 pesos.
Watching, I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of repainting this chair as my performance task. Through this activity, I was able to show the importance of preparation, careful work, and creativity. I truly appreciate your time and support. Bye!